All right, what's going down, everybody? Today is going to be day 4 SEMA. I forgot to film an intro, so here's your intro. Today's going to be all the highlight stuff that we didn't see and we may have missed, stuff that you guys wanted us to go take a closer look at, and just our overall favorite builds of SEMA. And then also some burnouts, some drifting, and stuff like that. So I'm going to quit talking. Let's go.
Well, here's one we didn't see the other day. So we got a Charger that's fully red carbon fiber. Pretty dang cool. A little too flashy for the old built to beat taste, but you know, I appreciate it. Bring in on this because we love ourselves a bump side. So this is, what is this, a 70 or 70? I didn't see the grill. I think she's like a 70 or 71. I don't know. She got a nice tomahawk in it, but it's sitting on a 2022 Super Duty chassis. So everything Super Duty. Still has all the gauges. He said it's fully serviceable by Ford. They put their, got your little Ford screen right there. Open up. Pretty cool, man. All right, you know, I had to stop at the short box Ford. Figure we'll bring you in on, like I said, one of the SEMA fails. Here, do you see the problem? Huh? I mean, I don't think I'd be very happy if old Discount Tire did that. The Chevelle is over the top. Awesome. Twin turbos.
It's a Heinz 57. It's got over there.
I don't know, man. This thing's pretty awesome. I had to bring you on this because I did not see this the other day. So this is one of those cars that is absolutely amazing. I love everything about it.
So you got big wheel wells, so you have to. And they had.
Pardon me.
And the wheel well.
I mean, you could. This is one of those cars you can look at just like a Chevelle. Like, they made the wheel arches bigger in the back, made it bigger in the front. I mean, interior is old but new. Absolutely sick. I love that balance of completely new and custom, as well as still looks like it could be correct. They said they were gonna fix it. Here it is, and it looks perfect. Such a sick car. If you can't tell, I like race cars and I like lowered things, and you know, I'm pretty consistent. So like I said, we're all over the place. Thanks, man. We got Bronco here, but she's not your average Bronco. It's clearly just a frame. This is the unit when you like to party. I could appreciate this action. Super sick Ferrari. Once again, race car, you know?
What'd you say earlier? You got big money?
You gotta have money to spend money. Maybe that's my problem. You gotta have some to spend some. Hey, look, a Supra. Our debate was, you know, filming with the cell phone, and I was joking saying this is where we need to be someday. This earlier, what do you guys think of this? Not your style, your style? Because I dig it. I would drive it, and I would enjoy it. Let me guess, this must be his car because he's got a matching shirt, you know? And he's sitting on the car, so it must be his. What do you think? You guys digging the 90s coming back? Because I sure am. Went through on this one. Like I said, this is definitely probably one of my favorites here. This thing is sick. I love the blue and the bronze. Definitely purpose built to party.
goal was 100.
And I did not see when we were cruising around Central, also all brushed out raw metal F100. Absolutely gorgeous, dude. I love the contrast between the stainless brushed and the steel brushed. It just the metal work alone to put something into raw metal like this is absolutely amazing. So hats off, because this truck guaranteed, even at its most perfect point when it was brand new, was not straight enough to do this. Basis, like, this is something that is hard to translate, especially even through a video. So we have this amazing Ford F100, and then we're gonna come over here, gorgeous Mustang, and then wide body, absolutely sick Pantera. I said 6, but it's because it was so sick I said 6. Beautiful car, love it, love it. This bad boy. You know, because why would you not need a lifted Jag with a tow truck hookup? All sorts of treasures over here. And more burnouts. This thing is cool. And it's all finished out. Look at the inside. Awesome seats, dude. I like this stuff too. I think we need some of this in the mini Jebo.
Another amazing trip to SEMA. So 2024 is a wrap, day 4. We had an awesome time. Got to see a bunch of cool stuff. Got to meet with a bunch of awesome people. So we're heading back. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because we got a ton more content coming your way. Plus, we got some collaborations with some awesome new vendors, and I'm really excited for that, so stay tuned for that.